welcome back. I hope you're all doing okay. As promised, I said that I would show you the alphabet, the English alphabet, because it is the alphabet that we use to form words, and there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, you need a pencil and a paper, but if you do not have access to these wherever in the world you are, you may find yourself some sticks or some marbles or some stones or some zip ties or even Play-Doh that you could manipulate. Okay? For example, you could take these, put them together like this, or the shorter pieces. You could take them and make V, or you could use these, close them, or you could curve them to the left, or you could curve them to the right to make right hook, left hook. Now with that said, let's start. The alphabet goes from the letter A. You have a big A and you have a little a all the way through the last letter of the alphabet, which is Z. And in between are the others. Let's begin. Remember I told you about the sticks that you could use. Okay, so the first letter will be A, and I will write the big A along with the little a because they come in pairs called big case, big uppercase, and the little a is called lowercase a. This is big A. Take one stick, another stick, go across. This is little a, put a foot. The second letter is the letter B. One stroke, a right hook, and another right hook. B has a little brother called little b. One stroke and a right hook. C, big left hook, and for little c, a little left hook. For D, stick and a big right hook. He also has a little brother called little d. A stick and a left hook to the left. Next we have E. Go across like that, one stick down, go across like that, and in the middle. For the little e, make a left hook, you come to the top and you go like this. Next we have F. Go across like that, you come down like this, and you go across like that. For the F, little f, you put a stick, a short stick, and you bend it like that and cross it like that. Most of these alphabet, they come in pairs. I mean, like they're twins. Like a few of them become like twins. They look alike. like the C, for example. Next we have G. It's a left hook like that, go up and cross it right there. For little G, a circle, a foot to the right, and you curve it like this. Next we have H. You have one long stick, another long stick, and you secure it in the middle like that. For the letter H, a long stick and half of a right hook. Next comes I. Make a stick, give it a covering, and give it something to sit on. For letter I, half of a left hook, and give it a dot. Next we have J. Go across like that, put a long stick and curve it to the left. Little J, half of a right hook, give it a dot. Next we have K. One long stick, and you slant it like this with a little stick, and then you go to the right like that with another little stick. For little K, it looks the same, it's only that it is smaller. Small stick, come this way and go that way. For big L, a long stick, go across like that. And little L is just a long stick. Next we have M. We're going to use tall sticks for the big M, but we're going to slant them. M, that way, that way. It's like you make two big A's and then you put them together. This is the letter M. A short stick, half of a right hook, come up, another half of a right hook. Next there's N, big N. One long stick. It's like you're making an A, another stick that way, and then another stick like this. And then there's little N, a short stick, half of a right hook. Then there's O. It's just a left hook and you close it completely to form a circle. And then little O, it's the same. Next we have P. Big P. We always do the big letter first and then the small letter. Here's big P, stick, big right hook. Little P, a long stick, and a small right hook, but you put that in the middle of the stick. Here's Q, which is next. You make a circle, big Q, and you put a little foot right there. For a little Q, you make a small circle, put a long foot, and you go that way. Bend it up. Next we have R. A long stick, big right hook, and a little stick going that way. Little R, a little stick, and just half of a right hook. Now do not confuse the little R with the little N. Notice little N is like this. You go that way, all the way down. The R, you only come part of the way. Next we have S. Big S. Big left hook, big right hook. Same way. Little left hook, little right hook. Next, let's go to T. We're almost done. Go across like that, and then you come down. It's like you're making a cross, but it's not actually a cross. You don't go all the way up. Little T is like this. A left hook, half of a left hook, you curve it, and you cross it right there. Next we have U. Take a long stick, you make a curve, and you come all the way up. That is big U. You could put a little foot if you want. For little U. And remember, this is not like the Q. The Q is closed all the way in a circle with a foot, even though this has a foot. This is the little U. Next we have V. Big V. You take two tall sticks, that way, that way. And for the little V, it is the same thing. Small stick, that way. Next, we have W. It's like you're making a V, but a V, then you go like this. So you put two V's to W. You put two V's together to make a W. And this is little W. Next we have X. It gets easier. X, you just take two sticks. You go like this. X, one to the left, one to the right. Big X, little X, twins, 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 twins. Next will be Y. Two short sticks like you make a little V, and then you put a foot on it so it could stand. That is big Y. Little Y, it's like this. Make a V, but this stick right here, you just come this way, slant it to the left. This is another twin. It's just that one is bigger than the next, like maybe fraternal twins. And then the last letter in the alphabet is the letter Z, or some people might call it Z, depending on which country in the world you're from. Z. That way, long stick. This way, long stick. And you go that way. And for the little Z, it's the same thing. That way, that way, this way. But I like to make my Z like this. That way, that way, that way, and then that way. I don't know why. This is another twin. And some other twins that you could look at was the letter C and the letter S. So in my next video, I will show you how to put these together to form words. Also, within the alphabet that I just showed you, it's 26 letters in the alphabet. You have 5 that are called vowels, W-E-L-S, and 21 that are called consonants, 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. And the rest are the consonants. Example, B, D. No, let me write these small. D, B, S, T, and so on. You combine consonants and vowels to form words. For example, if you want to write the word sat, you would take this, sat, S-A-T. You have the word sat, but I will show you more later. This is how you form words so that you will be able to make sentences and learn how to read. Until next time, thank you for watching, and please subscribe and share with your friends, share your knowledge, share what you know, and see you next time. Thank you. Have a good day.